They didn't make it. Let's see here. Wow! Oh my god! They like it. Well, what's here? Oreo. Look. Wow! I like it. Oops, I leave. I accidentally leave. I'm sorry, I didn't mean. Okay, let's continue. Oops. No, I don't want this ladybug. I was going to write Rudolph. Wow, this place is amazing. Let's see here. OMG. Oh my god. This is not amazing. This is like fabulous. Wow. It's cool. A lot of people, see guys, in my house. No, they didn't make anything in here. Oh, she's making a kitchen. Cute. Oh my god. OMG. It's amazing. I love it. Why everyone's making bedrooms? Oh my god. OMG. I love it. Emily that to tell them if they finish or not. Like half of them said yes, but this one is like came like 2 seconds ago, so that's why. Emily, this is amazing. Wow. Wow, wow. I like it. But the problem is, I think I will sell it because it spent all my money. Like guys, see how much my money is. So I think I'm going to sell it. Sorry, Emily. I think this is the final tour. Now I will make something kind of rude and I'm sorry if you don't like it, but I will leave and then rejoin and then sell everything. Sorry, I feel bad. Okay, let's leave. Look, get out. Wow. Okay. Leave. I'm sorry, no, do I do it? Wait. How did you know? What? It's like, wait, come. I feel she know I will leave, but how? I didn't write. What's this set collect? What's that mean? Oh! Oh my god! Why is there 1,000 people? Oh, they're gone. They're gone. What? Oh, small chair. Hey, you don't. It's time to build my house. This is my friend. Yeah. Now I will leave. Sadly, 3, 2. Do I do it? Okay. Attack. Okay, 3, 2. No. Okay. Okay. Let's rejoin now. Rejoin quickly. Okay. The house, right? Okay. Now let's sell everything and my money on. This is the timer, the 13-minute timer. Okay.
Like my money's gone. No. That's sad. I don't want to spend all my money like. And the spell, did you rejoin? Yeah. This is Ellie. She's like, why? Okay, come. Why? Why do I come? Why? What? Okay. Does she want me to come? Did she have a surprise for me? What? What? Is she pranking me? Oh, what? Why not? She's not. What? Wait. Come on, the game's glitchy. What the? Can you? What? What did she say? Here she. What? What is happening? What's happening? What's happening? What is Do you want to take me? Anyone tell me what's going on? About Emily! Why is Emily not answering me? Because a lot of people I want tag. I don't understand. Please. Oh. Maybe connect. I hate lying. Why did I lie? Okay, where is? Okay, I will just go now. Reset myself and get my sell. What the heck? So you were building my house. I don't want it to build my house now. I was just like, doing it for a video, right? I was doing my house. Okay, good. What's good? What's the good thing? Oh, she's like, oh, I think she's like, okay, good, because I didn't sell her house. I mean, like her bathroom that she made, and she tired doing it and hard time, and now I so easily